Thanks, Martha.
So the Trump administration is seeking to reverse policies that were laid out by President Obama that essentially threatened colleges if they didn't take certain actions against students who were accused of serious crimes. Candace Jackson from the Office of Civil Rights said this week. She's the new person. Quote, OCR, Office of Civil Rights, has fallen into a pattern of practice of overreaching, of setting out to punish and embarrass institutions. The Obama administration approached every complaint as a fishing expedition through which our field investigators have been told to keep searching until you find a violation rather than go where the evidence takes them. Ashe Schow is a senior contributor of The Federalist and journalist for Real Clear Investigations, and she has been working on this topic for a very long time, and we have talked to you about this in the past. So basically, describe the campus court system in 20 seconds or less and how it's changing now.
Well, currently, because of Obama administration, schools are basically looking to expel anyone accused. Now, some do get through, but the most of these students that get accused, they end up getting expelled, no matter what evidence
and these are mostly sexual assault or harassment cases.
Right, exactly.
So they're young men, basically, that are not allowed to have any representation, and they're basically judged by professors.
Right, exactly. Or sometimes just a single investigator. It varies from school to school. But the basic what goes across all schools is that there are no due process rights. You know, they can't have an attorney. They can't cross-examine their accuser. A lot of times, they're not allowed to present evidence in their defense. In some cases, they're not even told the actual allegations against them until they have to show up for their hearing and somehow defend themselves as if they're on an episode of Law and Order. And these are 19, 20-year-old kids, college freshmen. They don't know how to do this.
And the truth is that once they walk in that door and sit down and that process begins, it's highly unlikely, no matter what the circumstances were, that they will walk out of that room ultimately without something permanent on their record.
Absolutely. And you have these kids that some of them have the means to hire a lawyer either during the process, and that might get them some leniency or avoid an expulsion, or if they have the means after they're already expelled to file a lawsuit. But there's more than 100 lawsuits from accused students or expelled or punished students, but that's only the students that can afford it. So there's probably hundreds more that have just had to accept this kind of treatment, false accusations with this rapist label attached to them with no way to defend themselves.
But you think, I gotta go, but you think that the change is coming?
Well, it sounds like it from Candace Jackson. I definitely hope so.
Come back. We'll talk about it some more. Thank you, Ashe Schow. Good to see you tonight.